Hey friends, do you ever struggle to find good snacks to help manage your blood sugar in the morning? I've definitely been there before. Finding the right foods to fill you up without spiking your glucose can be tricky, but have no fear. I'm going to share 5 of my go-to morning snacks for diabetics that I think you're going to love. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Now let's get snacking. Snack 1. Greek yogurt parfait. Start your day off right with a yummy parfait loaded with protein and fiber. Combine plain non-fat Greek yogurt with fresh berries. Sprinkle with almonds and cinnamon. The protein helps control blood sugar spikes, while the berries add antioxidants and fiber. Snack 2. Hard-boiled eggs and toast. This classic snack will keep you satisfied. Hard-boil a couple eggs the night before, and enjoy with a slice of whole-grain toast topped with avocado for added nutrition. The healthy fats help slow digestion while the protein fills you up. Snack 3. Nut butter and apple slices. Ready in under 5 minutes. Slice up your favorite apple and dip the slices in peanut or almond butter. The natural sugars in the apple paired with protein and fat makes a perfectly balanced snack. Snack 4. Cottage cheese and fruit. Mix 1 or 2 cup cottage cheese with sliced strawberries, blueberries, or your favorite fruit for a protein and antioxidant-rich snack. The combo of carbs and protein prevents energy crashes. Sprinkle with cinnamon for extra flavor. Snack 5. Veggies and hummus. Fresh veggies like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers dipped in hummus makes for a filling, fiber-rich snack. The fiber helps control blood sugar levels. I like to use red pepper hummus for extra flavor. There you have it. 5 of my go-to morning snacks for managing diabetes that I think could work for you too. Let me know in the comments which you'd like to try, or any other favorite diabetic-friendly morning snacks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Thanks for watching.